Top 19 Good Morning Quotes and Sayings with Reference and Author Name. Starting the day with positive energy and a smile on our faces can make a significant difference in our lives. Good morning quotes and sayings are a wonderful way to uplift our spirits and set a positive tone for the day ahead. In this video, we have curated the top 19 good morning quotes and sayings, along with their references and author names, to inspire and motivate you. Let's dive in and discover these pearls of wisdom. Rise and shine. It's a brand new day. Unknown. Starting your day with a positive attitude sets the tone for the rest of your day. Embrace the opportunities that lie ahead and make the most of them. 2. Every morning is a fresh start. Take a deep breath, smile, and start again. Unknown. Each day brings new possibilities and a chance to begin anew. Embrace the freshness of the morning and let go of yesterday's worries. 3. The biggest sources of motivation are your own thoughts. Think big and motivate yourself to win. Unknown. Motivation is the driving force behind success. Train your mind to think positively and set ambitious goals to propel yourself forward. 4. Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. Albert Schweitzer. Finding joy in your pursuits is crucial for long-term success. Pursue your passions and success will naturally follow. 5. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. Franklin D. Roosevelt. Believe in your abilities and don't let self-doubt hold you back. Embrace the challenges and opportunities that each day brings. 6. Don't watch the clock, do what it does. Keep going. Sam Levinson. Time is precious, and it's important to make the most of it. Stay focused on your goals and keep moving forward, regardless of the obstacles. 7. The morning was full of sunlight and hope. Kate Chopin. Mornings symbolize new beginnings and the promise of a fresh start. Embrace the sunlight and let hope guide you through the day. 8. Every morning we are born again. What we do today matters most. Buddha. Each morning presents an opportunity to reinvent yourself. Make the most of the present moment and take meaningful actions towards your goals. 9. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Eleanor Roosevelt. Dream big and have faith in your abilities. Your dreams have the power to shape your future and bring about positive change. 10. The morning is good because we remember that no matter what went wrong the previous days, we just got a perfect opportunity to rewrite history and do better. Unknown. Mornings offer a fresh start, free from the burdens of yesterday. Embrace the new day as an opportunity to learn from past mistakes and make improvements. As you can see, our curated collection of good morning quotes and sayings encompasses a wide range of perspectives and themes. Whether you're seeking motivation, positivity, or inspiration, these quotes are designed to uplift your spirits and set a positive tone for the day. 11. Every morning is a new opportunity. Anonymous. Mornings are a fresh start, a chance to begin anew. Embrace each morning with gratitude and optimism, for it presents a world of possibilities. Carpe diem. 12. Rise and shine, it's a brand new day. Unknown. Waking up to a brand new day is a blessing. Embrace the morning sun, feel its warmth, and let it energize your soul. Seize the day with enthusiasm and make the most of every moment. 13. A morning without coffee is like sleep. Author unknown. For many, a cup of coffee is an essential part of their morning routine. The aroma, the taste, and the warmth of a good cup of coffee can awaken the senses and prepare you for the day ahead. So grab your favorite mug and savor the magic of coffee. 14. The early bird catches the worm. William Camden. This age-old saying reminds us of the importance of being proactive and seizing opportunities. By waking up early and starting our day with purpose, we position ourselves for success. So be the early bird and let your dreams take flight. 15. Morning is wonderful. Its only drawback is that it comes at such an inconvenient time of the day. Glenn Cook. While mornings may not be everyone's favorite time of the day, they hold immense beauty and potential. Embrace the tranquility of the early hours, and you'll discover the magic that lies within each morning. 16. Morning is an important time of day because how you spend your morning can often tell you what kind of day you are going to have. Lemony Snicket. The way we start our mornings sets the tone for the entire day. Cultivate positive habits, such as practicing gratitude, exercising, or reading, to ensure a productive and fulfilling day ahead. 17. Smile in the mirror. Do that every morning, and you'll start to see a big difference in your life. Yoko Ono. A smile is contagious and has the power to brighten not only your day but also the lives of those around you. So take a moment each morning to smile at yourself in the mirror and witness the transformative power it holds. 18. When you arise in the morning, think of what a precious privilege it is to be alive, to breathe, to think, to enjoy, to love. Marcus Aurelius. The gift of life is something to cherish and be grateful for. As you wake up each morning, reflect upon the beauty of existence and the countless blessings that surround you. 19. The sun is a daily reminder that we too can rise again from the darkness, that we too can shine our own light. S. Ajna. The rising sun symbolizes hope, renewal, and the resilience of the human spirit. Let its radiant beams inspire you too. If you like this video, then share with your friends.